Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete a PUBG account on PC. Deleting a PUBG account is permanent and will remove all progress, purchases, and linked data. Make sure you really want to proceed before starting this process. To delete your account, start by clicking the arrow icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then go to Settings. In the Account section, you will see an option called Delete Account. Click on it and wait for the countdown. Remember, your account will be deleted after 7 days. Confirm by clicking Delete Account. You will be prompted to exit the game. If you are sure, click Exit Game to continue. Your account will then be scheduled for deletion. After submitting the request, PUBG support will process it, and it may take a few days to complete. Once completed, you will lose access to all your PUBG data and purchases. And that's it. We just learned the steps to permanently delete a PUBG account on PC using the official system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.